Bushcraft camping outfit here. Canoe's ready. They may never return.
Wow, Mark has very little faith in
Yes.
us. Possible death. We're going fishing, and Mark.
Possible
Mark
death.
is already predicting.
Death
Mark
is a good
predicting
chance.
Death of 2 people.
Yes.
Very optimistic of you.
Yes. Then I get the truck. I keep both trucks. I'm going to hang out here and see if the rain slows down.
So you want me to go in front of that for sure?
If you don't mind.
No, not at all.
So you guys don't need me here if I decide to take off, go somewhere else?
Where are you gonna go? Just a heads
If the
up.
rain slows down, I don't know.
You don't want to shoot in the rain?
I don't think I'm gonna go that way. I might go down to Huff Lake, or not Huff Lake, Fuller. See if that guy's there or not.
Yeah.
'Cause maybe we can do that this evening.
All in there. Be nice.
I'll probably go up and make a phone call and then probably head back to the camp or something.
Aww.
If it's raining like this, I ain't sticking around. I'm not gonna. There's no birds or anything.
Okay. Birds don't go in the rain?
No.
You don't mind? You got your phone on you? Can
Yeah.
you write down my phone number and send... Oh. No, it won't work.
Your phone number?
Because you got to send it to Natalie.
Well,
And I don't have Natalie's phone number.
oh, you don't? Okay.
I have it, but it's on my phone at the cabin. I don't have it on me. Jar, would you mind handing me the power first? You got a long and a short?
That is the short.
We can go up again tonight. I might we'll go up that way, and then on the way back, some of those old abandoned logging roads. I might fart around up there.
I got a hole in my boot.
You do?
I think so.
Those are good boots too, no?
It's just the temperature. Okay.
Okay, I got
How
it.
far?
I got it. You ever tip a canoe?
No.
Good, because I never have either. I don't plan on starting today.
Yeah.
Okay, you getting in? Give me 1 second.
The adventure begins.
Let's pull them into me.
Scout out the whole lake. Is it deep over there? Yeah.